My name is Robin Britton. I'm the Director of Technology Systems and Systems Control. New Braunfels Utilities is looking to utilize drones to increase our safety and efficiency, to provide better data for our employees, to proactively monitor our systems, to prevent outages, and to provide value to our customers at an economical price point. We inspect electrical lines. We look for corrosion on the transformers, issues with insulators. Let's say we have a communication antenna that's faulty on a 100-foot water tank. We can send a drone up there to inspect and find out what the situation is without having to send a person. If you have a tree that's overgrown on your property, you can call into NBU and our control center will send out our drone folks to go and inspect the line, and then we can have staff come out and cut the trees back before they cause a problem for you. We are taking a very methodical look at how we implement these drones. All of our pilots have both formal training and are certified by the FAA to do these flights. We have identification on our drones so that it's easily identifiable as an NBU drone. We want to be really respectful of everyone's privacy, so we're only going to fly on NBU right-of-ways and on easements that we own. We're acquiring imagery and potentially infrared imagery. The program will evolve to use electromagnetic spectrum sensors and LiDAR sensors, which can create a 3D point cloud to give you a 3D visualization of how the area looks. One of the advantages of having a drone program is that we don't have to rely on someone's memory. We can go back and look at the imagery and look at the photography so that we have 100% data retention. This will absolutely save both NBU and the ratepayers money. It'll allow us to go inspect lines which we otherwise wouldn't have the personnel to proactively inspect. I'm excited because when you have better data, you make better decisions. It's an amazing use of technology in a practical application for value for everybody. For more information on New Braunfels Utilities Drone Program, go to mbutexas.com/drones.